тут. Hi, bro. Да, блядь. Yep. What was that big green candle? It was fake out. I messaged about that in my educational channel. That it's not clean breach, it's fake out. Just wait, Marco. Marco will connect, I think, very soon, right? He will tell you. Sorry, I'm gonna just put it like that a little bit lower. And it was a simple grab, liquidity grab, you see? Exact at nice open. Wa alaikum salam. Just let me. Yeah, like that. Now it's good. So, what we have now. Let me mark quickly fib levels. By the way, this reaction was from this key level. But for me, it was missed. That's why I didn't go for it. From fib side, we have nice 50 fib. Nice 50 fib with key level and nice backup level also. Always good when you have backup level, you know. Backup you need to cover your potential loss. This 38, of course, but missed and did nice pullback already. Where from which one? I think this one, right? Yep. Right now it's 15 minutes. Let me just do it a little bit. Sorry. Like that, and just a second, I'm gonna just open time frame. Yeah, like that. Anyway, you don't see the Potential area for interest for now. By the way, I think it was trend line, no? Where is... It's already worked, so not interested. Let's back to 4 hour because 4 hour has much more how to say, 4 hours stronger than H1 or 15 minute for any direction. Of course, my current BS is buy a little bit lower from 25 to 3900 zone, and this zone is a big buy area for me. I personally will go with the... Wow, it's rainy. I will personally will go with the big stop loss. I will cover 3900 also. Why? Because look at price action right now. You see? Clean channel here. Let me just mark it with another color. Not like that. Boom. 1, 2. You see? And it's clean channel. I won't buy from second touch of duplicated trend line for possible move up to upper trend line. It will be good. But by the way, I was waiting a reversal at the end of New York session, not at the beginning of New York session. Yeah, it was my BS, and right now, currently, we have another trend line. By the way, no need that. From 4 hour side, give me gray. Fib. Yeah, nice 50 fib match with key level. Nice. Are you looking for sell? Possible sell from this 50 fib. Let me check a silver alignment with silver. Possible alignment with silver as 56.5. Yeah, 56.6, 56.5. It's 38 fib and breaker test. Alignment will be good, but I see that gold will come to this level faster than silver, because silver right now at 23 fib and it's a little bit far away from that level. That's why I think gold will come faster. I'll come back to 15 minute. From 15-minute side, this area. I'm waiting my TikTok right now. I will send all links today a little bit later, because my 2 accounts on TikTok was banned, and I'm creating right now a new one in the right way, because I don't want to be banned 3rd time already. I'm tired from TikTok. Yeah, I know. It's very frustrating, but TikTok gives a lot of traffic. And I will send all links a little bit later. It will be just YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, I think. That's all. By the way, price reacted from 4,000 and did 180 pips. Next psychological level is 50, of course. Sell from 40, 50 will be good. I will send Google form where you will provide screenshots, where you will provide your email, because I need your email to give to Blue Guardian, so they will give you account. Hundred K. Unfortunately, right now it's impossible for me as long as I'm working just first month with Blue Guardian. You know, they are still testing me, and I'm still testing them. I already tested the fund and account, and it's good. Maybe in couple months they will give me 100K account. You know, it's just but at the beginning nobody will give you a so big account. My area of interest right now is this. Let me check this small fee. I know it's too messy right now. By the way, anyone trading futures? No? About copy trading. I'm choosing right now from two brokers. Why? Because I need tight spread. Okay? I need tight spread, fast execution without slippage or something else because every broker has different conditions. From my side, you know, how I want to build this copy trader, I not gonna take any percent from my clients. I'm not gonna take any money from my clients. I mean by percentage like 50-50 or something else, something like that. I want broker will pay me, okay? This is what I want. For this one, I need good conditions to trading. Yeah, I'm always honest. I'm not taking some. I'm not telling something. You know. Prop company for copy trader? No, it's impossible. It will be automated. Everything. You will just open account via my link on copy trader on broker, and all trades will be automatically. Yes. 40-50 area. I want why? Because this was liquidity sweep in box in some range. You see, price sweep liquidity and drop. If you check the history, I showed it in video breakdown last one. It was yesterday. Yes, at yesterday's video breakdown. How to trade this one? How to trade box like that? Especially with this fake out also. That's why my entry higher. 40, 43, right? Yes. 40, 37, and 40, 31. Here, no, I'm not interested. Why? Because look at this reaction. It's, of course, it's already missed. And if I go, I'll go like H1 trade. Possible trade is from 20 to 25. It's a big zone. If you check volume, look at this, it's much higher. Especially for our, nothing volume here. No volume here, sorry. And of course, best entry is as, especially here, you see 76 fib, 76 and psychological level, round number is a good one. Yeah. Currently, this one is H1. By the way, I'm gonna buy future prop account right now. I just wanna compare. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Так, prop for match. Prop for match. Yeah, we open prop for match and now it will be gold futures. Look at the reaction on Nasdaq from 28 to 100. Beautiful. Nice reaction. 28 to 100, it was a big daily key level. Big profit taking area. If you check daily side, yeah, it was clean. By the way, on one stream I told that I'm waiting breach lower Nasdaq. I don't remember which stream it was. A nice breaker test level is 61 fib, of course, 29 231, 29231 is the nice breaker test level, and 61 fib. Of course, before this we have 2900, 100. It's a little bit higher than 50 fib, and the safest option is 29 and is 61 fib. Sorry. Yeah. Now I'm waiting 50 fib and 61 fib. Nasdaq, we stand by until 10 minutes, close the candle 45 minutes. You mean H1? You look at Nasdaq, it's reacting right now from sorry, how to say, breaker test, sorry. I just forgot. Let me show you. Do you see that? Opa. Yeah, reaction from here. It was this level daily. Let me show you daily. You see? It was simple profit taking. And I think we're already watching for some market reversal, even on metal, even on stocks. Let me show you oil. Oil stopped a little bit right now. What I was talking about, I was talking about this 61 fib. And price right now at this breaker test. But as you can see, there is no fib, so by the way, he can be nice short right now. Look at these reactions. These reactions telling that price can breach this level. I mean 2 these weeks. Let's check candle closure, and but best option if you jump, I don't know, I'm not gonna jump. It's to cover everything. And in this case, you see your stop loss should be 120 pips. 120 pips is too much, especially when you have another liquidity zone here. That's why I'm waiting today just one strong setup. One strong setup a day is very good. 6 minutes for candle closure. What you mean 30-minute candle? Now let's come back to 4-hour. Record test, and let's go to gold 4-hour. Yeah, it's a little bit frustrating right now. Why? Because I didn't see on time alignment gold with the stock market. Why? Because I have just 3 screens. I need one more screen to stock market. It could be nice buy for sure. I just realized this. And silver reacted, and silver was under the level, and I messaged in my education channel that it's simple fake out on gold. Let me show you. Just a second, I will show you how I Yeah, you see, it's my educational channel, and I messaged that it's simple fake out, and it's happened. It's just simple how to try to identify. I send that how to show you. Just I send it when price was here at this candle here. Well, David, what are you looking for? For short or for buy on Nasdaq? Settings, channel, just a second, guys. Anyone shorting right Nasdaq right now or not? David, I think you're waiting candle closure, right? А как мне найти, как мне посмотреть? Let's switch back to H1. Channel page 76% notification 14 browse feature for force feed. Anyone shorting price right now? 700 pips. What do you think about that goal there? Is for sweep 1 hour time frame around 38.2. But I told already 5 minutes ago that here is a clean short. I didn't go because stop loss is too big. Stop loss is 100, 120, 100, 120 pips. But I'm expecting short. It's already, short should be live already. I told it when price was here. And your stop loss should be under this level to cover this one. You see, look at this, 100 pips stop loss, and your full target can be at first target 1-to-1. First 1-to-1 is 100, is almost here. Here you put your stop loss at break even. Let me just move it. TP2 is 200 pips. And final TPE can be 61 pip and break retest, this one. But I don't like shit like that. You see, here is not tradable for me. Let me mark on H1 also. Like that. This is area of interest, higher one, not lower one. Even with 61 fib, it's not guaranteed that it will work from this level. Why? Because here is a lot of liquidity. Just need to learn money flow and liquidity. It's a very important part. $14. Там не было 14. Длина ролика 11, State Watch. Okay. Why? Let me check the XE. So reason why you are not getting in short is because too much liquidity at this level. Yeah. Look at this. Let me explain you. Right now we have this level, right? Just let me record it. Right now we have this level. And under this level, a lot of liquidity which was not swept yet. Secondary, we have this level. And under this level, also a big area with liquidity which was not swept yet. You see, it's a big liquidity area. Of course, you know, it's a 50-50 trade. I don't like this. I don't like trades like that. It's easy, can just sweep liquidity and come back, of course. And it will be frustrating. So much better to wait stronger setup. I could go if, let me remove this fib. I could go if, for example, here price, let me just quickly mark this level. Control C, Control V, this one, right? I could go if this we swept liquidity and came back and candle closed lower. Then of course I was waiting break retest again and then short. But without liquidity sweep right now, I'm not gonna go. I hope I explained. right? Especially in this summer market, when in low liquidity market, price always looking for liquidity, always. I'm just trying to implement oil in my trading, so this is my setups. Let's try. Why not? If anyone want to try, I explained already. This spending is yeah. You're welcome, bro. This is just gap fill and 50 fib around 83. I went from last confluence like safest one. This is breaker test, and I think it's some fib. Yeah, 38 fib and breaker test level. I'm just trying. Yeah, and 50 fib also. It's daily time frame. What about 82? Take buy if the market come down 82. I don't see anything there. As I said, key level mandatory for me as a confluence in any setup. First of all, it should be key level. Second one, it should be any other confluence. Two, confluence is a must for me for take a trade. With one confluence, no. It could be key level plus fib, key level plus trend line, key level plus EMA, you know, like that. And this setup, this short, what I had first of all 38 key level, 38 fib. You see, but it was missed here. It was missed by this candle, this one, and it did 200 pips. Unfortunately, it missed, of course. I had no any reason to go lower, you know, from this level, from my entry was from here. I didn't give it in VIP. Why? Because I was waiting this liquidity sweep. Then I would give it. But at 82, $50 fib and nothing more. If you take 61, 61 possible because you have $25 plus move. By the way, this breaker test of also can be a nice one. I mean this zone. Is it H1? Yes, it's from H1 is also 61, nothing, up. I'm gonna mark 61 fib like a possible trade. I'm not telling that it can't work short, but it's 50-50. Don't try to take every trade. You need just one good trade in a day. Just, for example, if you have, it's simple math, you know. Let me explain you. For example, you have 100K funded account, right? Let me make it bigger, 20, like that, 100K funded. Uh, 0.5% per trade with a risk reward two at least. It's 1%. It's 1% total, right? Even if you take, I don't know, one trade in 2 days, in a week, it will be around 2%. 2%. 2% in 2 days. I'm talking right now about the worst side. Of course, you can take every day, best setup, but best setups not comes every day. You know, you can sit 1 week without trade if you just like if you trade like choosing the trades with best trades. Let's take two trades in a week, two three trades in a week, 2-3% in a week, right? With loss and with wins because your RR is two RR. And what you get in a month, in a month you get 10-12%. Is it bad? I think no. Right now, if we see third week, it could be nice short. I need third one. Oh, brother, you went long on Nasdaq, really? At break retest level? Why? Can you just explain me your confluences for going long on Nasdaq right now? $3,998. No, just a question for VIP members. Do you need chat or not? Yes, I'm standby for test level. Окей. 3926, 3926. Следующее у нас 3905. I'm waiting third week. I mean, 1, 2, maybe 3, then push. Bad in this moment, the phase is an accumulation. It's not accumulation, just simple breaker test, brother. Simple breaker test. Let me show you. I'm shorting right now. I jumped too late. Best entry, of course, was here. I'm just gonna set my stop loss already at break even. Let me check H1. It was simple key level breaker test. That's why I didn't told you that gold is long is a bad idea. Simple breaker test. Let me take partials quickly. Up 15, close, close. Yeah, I'm done. You see? Fuck off. From breaker test level, just with 25 pips drawdown, price did already 700 or 800, 70 or 80 pips, sorry. Let me show you 15 minutes how much it did. Yeah, grab liquidity, and now it's possible further drop. I'm at break even already, so for me it's risk-free trade. That's why I want to switch to future prop account because of slippage and some stuff like that. And we come back to gold. It's Nasdaq, you see? Check the price, it's Nasdaq. I'm talking you about Nasdaq right now. Bro, it's just 4 hour. Look at this one, it's Nas. Right now my price in my trading profit in 75 pips, 80 pips. I shorted from, my entry was late entry. My TP on Nasdaq, I took already partial. TP2 will be at 61 fib, I think. Yeah, 61 fib here. And I'm gonna short all the way down. Why? Because look at daily. Daily breached trend line, so possible more drop. But who knows? Me long gold? No. Yes, of course. Right now, gold with Nasdaq is aligned. It's clearly aligned. That's why I got some frustration Why? Because buy from key level, I mean this one, was a perfect. But unfortunately, I didn't notice Nasdaq, because Nasdaq at same time, sorry, was at level also. It was good, perfect alignment. I don't know why I didn't check Nasdaq. But okay, shit happens. At least we are. Let's come back to gold. Yeah, gold, I think, gonna grab liquidity again. Let me check now. Oh, the DXE. DXE. DXE pushing low a little bit. Ah, today is Friday. I just forgot that today's Friday. Hi, Marco. Look. By the way, David, I'm put my stop loss at break even right now. Anyone interested what is breaker test? Clear picture for you. Unfortunately, my entry was too late a little bit, but it was very clean. Price making right now 140 pips. Why I went for that? I had key level, first confluence, second key level is breach previous level. Breaching previous level also is a confluence for me. I mean this one. You see? Price breached, came back, breached this level also, and I went from the next level, bam, done and dusted. I can close the XE now. Let's come back to gold. Gold, nothing. We have multiple levels right now, and Marco, you've seen pendings I sent already. I want price exit from one of this level. By the way, if it push right now here, it will be $50 move. It's pretty good. For our 23, 25 zone. Not bad. Yeah, let's come back here. This one is area of interest, by the way, for me right now. 61 feet to Yes, yes. $25 is one of the confluence. $25 move inside. As I said, you see why this one is area of interest right now, because size, you see, if you check $26 move. $26 move is making valid this trade. And we don't have anything here. And if you remember from my fib lesson, which I shared, if we see breach 38.50, then 61 is a definitely buy level. I'm gonna open chat in my VIP, by the way. If we breach higher, of course, this one will, it will not be 61 anymore. Oof, beautiful. Beautiful short is 150 pips. 150 pips on Nasdaq. I'm gonna take another partial just a second. And I'm closing another. Boom, done. Look, I'm trading right now with you, but I still getting message that I'm that some replay or something else on my comments on Reels and Instagram. Anyway, I don't care. Which future prop company you can recommend? I see that Lucid #1 right now. Second one is Tradify. Third one is My Funded Futures. Yeah, it's pushing. I switched to H1 with two more cleaner picture. Let me mark area of interest, 15, boom, boom, like that. And my area of interest is this one. Yeah, nothing else. By the way, 1417 is a nice breaker test level from daily side also. It was CPI, this was nice breaker test also. Just 50 pips drawdown, and yeah, I just told 10 or 20 minutes ago about this liquidity sweep, and it's happening. It's just market psychology, you know? You can't do anything with that. I think my YouTube live videos is the full explanation of my strategy. Just free working strategy. Yeah, right now we just grab liquidity. If it lefts only sweep and retest, then it could be good entry. If it lefts, I won't close under this level. I won't close under this level, but anyway, you can get, you know, let me show you 5 minutes. It's at breaker test right now. It easily can go higher. To make it clear, it will be good if you draw some fib, and if you check price came here 61, it's called, I call it like planning, you know, come here 61, then further drop. One hour most of the time, I don't know. I don't stick to one time frame to check liquidity. I already, with experience, you see it, like you can open any time frame and you can see where is liquidity. For example, 15 minute, I told already that here is a lot of liquidity. It's happened. If you check H1, you know that what this was. This was liquidity sweep from this small box. Grab liquidity, drop. What it means? It means that we have a lot of liquidity also here. Even if you check on the chart, let me show you just a second. Where is it? I'm just gonna try to find you an example. Not the same. Look here. It's absolutely the same. Range, liquidity sweep, drop. And what happened on this level? This level wasn't tested yet, right? Here. Good example, look at this. Box, liquidity sweep, drop, right? You can check what you had after. Look here. You see? Tap, and then did $50 move. And drawdown from level was 60 pips almost. Let me check silver. Silver not on the level yet. I want alignment silver 38 fib plus key level to attempt any short on gold. DXC not moving at all. This one is not area of interest anymore as long as we breached higher, and this one is not 61 fib. Silver still in range, so this one can be easily fake out. Easily fake out on liquidity sweep. Yeah, Nasdaq in profit. Not bad. Wow. Wow. I back to 15 minutes. Need to wait another 3 minutes to confirm any short. If we don't have anything, what we gonna trade? 100 pip stop loss. It's too much. Silver can bridge 23, by the way. Yep, for sure. Price showing. I want higher. I want higher right now currently. I will send all conditions today. You need to be follow all my links. I mean TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Right now is I have a problem with TikTok, as the two accounts was banned. So Nasdaq is in profit. Okay. I want higher. I want price come back a little bit around this area to get my 50 pip stop loss to attempt short from here. Let me check the XE. The XE falling. Oil falling also. Yes, not bad. Let's try. If you want to short, right now it's high risk to short. Very high risk to short. Oil pushing over. So 15. How much is it? You short from 4,006 from here. Interesting decision. As long as I said that I'm waiting liquidity sweep, it happened, and now I'm waiting a little bit, just a little bit. For 2003. What do you think if short from 4020? Not bad. It's Friday. Friday is also usually like that. Usually boring like that. But to be honest, I want third touch. Let me check for our. Yeah, tap and 50 FIB will be great, by the way. And clean TP can be at 39.35, I think, or 4,000. But all moves is limited. What is the $25 move? On 15 minutes, it didn't come back. It just worked clearly from us. Sorry, it's 30 minutes. 15 minutes. It didn't close under this level. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, and there is one more minute and it's not pushing, not moving. Yeah, you see? Nothing. Nasdaq entry long now. Why? But possible, I don't know. I already capitalized 150 pips from here. So I don't care where price will go now. Up or down. My stop loss will break even and it's just run a size position. So who knows? But breaker test worked nicely. 200 pips. Wow. By the way, 4016 was missed. I come back in a minute. I just need coffee, guys. Watch out for this trend line. If we breach lower, and of course, definitely I won't break this level. Break this level and trend line, for example, like this one, and break retest from trend line again, then drop. It will be very strong short. Thank gold for what? And a little bit. We can delete this one. Ah, thank you. Thank you, bro. Liquidity grab came back and we short. By the way, silver pushing higher. Come on, go. One more time. One more time. I want one more liquidity sweep. Not yet. I'm still preparing right now. Yeah, my Nasdaq will be close at break even, I think, right now. Remaining position. Runner. Silver breaching higher. Поставишь на угол, пожалуйста. Или сюда, да. Спасибо. Угу. And liquidity not swept yet. Even 5-minute candle closed, but liquidity still not swept. I mean here. Yeah, my remaining position on Nasdaq was closed. I think it's time to get some short and be prepared to longer term buy. Why? Because silver in accumulation area and trying to move up. Volume profile, it's a nice exit. 40-20. One more time. Price squeezing a little bit. Area of interest below. $39.81, 61 pip. Nice level. By the way. And this level will be back up, break retest. Let me just mark it. Copy, paste, up. One more time. like that. By the way, when let me just watch one thing. 11:30. Yeah. Yes, I want short, but I want liquidity sweep one more time. As I said already, here is a lot of liquidity. It was not sweep. Here is also a lot of liquidity was not swept. So I'm not in short right now. I'm not in trade. You're welcome. Dixie. Wow, 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 wow. What? Dixie pushed very good right now. So I'm definitely gonna short. And come on, one more. Fib not valid. This area also not valid. Patience, patience, a little bit. Oil at place. Хорошо, спасибо. Oof. Sorry, 10. Give me this one, at this level, and 48 pips. What time right now? Let's switch to 15 minute. Nasdaq pushing. I think gold is following Nasdaq stock market. Okay, guys, I need to go right now because I have appointment in 40 minutes. Daily at breaker test right now. DXY pushing and silver also pushing. Yep. So I think that's enough for today because I need to go. Okay, so see you Monday, and all conditions for giveaway I will send today in free group. Conditions will be just to follow all my links. I mean, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and it will be easy for you. So see you Monday. Да все, похуй, не хочу, даже не смотреть.